Alright, I forgot to record this, but damn, Top Mouth is looking green today. Woo! Hella green. This is so weird. I've never seen over here so green before. Wow. Had a good old breakfast back in Cate Creek. Like over an hour drive. Almost 2 hours actually. Yeah, I know people come more and everything, but hey, you know. Oh man, my tire setup is perfect right now. I think I just got used to it just out of the blue. I don't know where I'm just like, alright, I'm getting the hang of the tires I have set up now. But it was funny till cars are in my way. Well, I am with a friend actually. This is his first time, so this is actually a lot better actually. Oh, the little Grom Squaw is here. That's cool. Well, welcome to Right Now. Holy shit, that was crazy. Man. So let me explain what happened. I didn't get the picture of anything for, you know, personal reasons and everything. I don't want people to know what the guy is for his personal information, all that. I didn't take no pictures, no videos or anything. So what happened was that guy was a brand new rider actually. He was riding with this group, and I guess his first time, he went a little too fast. We know that he was in 4th gear. He was on his bike. He was on 4th gear actually. And what happened was that he went too fast. He was coming downwards too, so that doesn't help. Coming downwards, hit a rock that kind of like slopes like this. Like that one right there. It kind of like slopes and went airbound with his bike, crash landed onto himself with the bike. That's what I was told, and that's what everyone was saying. But it looked a lot worse than what it actually is. Luckily the guy was okay. You know, paramedics. We're just doing, you know, traffic control for the most part. Me and a friend of mine, we're doing traffic control. You know, and that was it, because that's really all we could do. And I had some water, so I gave him that. So as we're just doing that for the most time until the paramedics and ambulance and everybody else got there, and so they were able to pick him up from. Oh right. So let me show you where he was Let's say from here to around where that. Oh shit. Yeah, I don't want to get into the ambulance with him now. So about here where all those little bushes are at, right over there. Maybe a little deeper, actually, a little further out, like where that first cactus is, right there. That's where he kind of crashed, so you got like a kind of a rough idea. Luckily, no passenger or anyone with him, just him. So. But yeah, it was pretty gnarly. It's you know, it really makes me concerned, because like right now I'm with a friend of mine, and this is his first time going to South Mountain too. And I was like, oh god, kind of worries me. But he's been riding for years, so I'm not too worried about that much. You know, this is his first time coming here, so if I could take any precautions I can, I would. Yeah, it sucks because like I was like, he doesn't. It was weird because it sucks because he doesn't remember what happened. He was asking all these questions like, "Hey, where am I?" So yeah, you're in Southampton, dude. Where's that? Southampton. Up to the mountains. But yeah, he's okay. They got him into the ambulance. He was really worried about, you know, the bill and everything. He's like, dude, it's better than not be able to walk for the rest of your life. You know, personally for me, I'd rather much go be in debt for the rest of my life for a medical issue. Especially that severe where you just, you know, went airborne with your bike. But yeah, he's okay. Everyone else that was there to help him out, thank you all. I'm not gonna say any names because one, for personal reasons, two, I don't know anybody over there. So if you are coming down to South Mountain or anywhere else, and if you're a beginner rider, I know I've done that before actually when I was in riding for like a few months when I was like 16 years old, or yeah, 16 years old. Got my license, hang out with a bunch of groups. I was like, hey, let's go to South Mountain. And I nearly went head on into a fucking truck. Literally. Almost. So, yeah, get some experience under your belt, y'all, before coming to places like this. That's what I'll suggest.